everyone, it's Kelly the Frugal Fun Mum. Welcome to the channel and to today's video where we are testing out the Gerni pressure washer. This is 600 with a maximum pressure of 1810 psi. I got this from Bunnings. It was $219. Purchased this myself. This video is not sponsored, supported or anything like that. And I really want to clean the car and have something here to do so, because going to those car washes frustrates me, and I don't want to pay $12 every time. And also this pressure washer that I got comes with a whole lot of attachments as well, and I have an outdoor thing to clean concrete or anything else that I need. And I know that my mum has some pavers and stuff that she was talking about getting cleaned, so I'd love to be able to take this down there and show you that another time. So it comes with all the accessories. I just went for the very top one because I figured that everything's here, because adding it all up individually, it costs more than $219. So we're gonna pull this apart, put it together, go and clean the car and see what we think about it. All right. Oh, it's heavy, it's heavy. Let's take this apart. I'm glad it has some instructions here because we all know I need it. So everything in the box is completely separated and individually packaged, so it takes a little while to unwrap everything. So rotary hose, patio floor, there's the spray bottle, there's the wand that comes in two pieces that you put together, there's the handle, there's a little wheel thing that helps roll up the hose, and then the actual machine here itself. So you read the instructions and it tells you how to put it all together. I found it a little bit tricky, to be honest, so it took me a little while, so I'm just speeding everything up. I think some of the bits were fun, like putting this wheel together, because it was just sort of click click and then put it in, and then you use screws to attach it all as well. And all of the hoses were wrapped up with like this weirder plastic, so you have to sort of pull all of that apart. The wand handle here, I had to push it down, as you could see, and twist it. I couldn't seem to just push it in and connect it, unlike it was saying in the video. And then you have two different nozzles here that help with different pressures and things like that. So you then also have the end of the pressure hose, and it goes into the wand handle here. You're looking like James Bond. And you've got the bottle on the end. So actually then filled it up with some car cleaning fluid. I did watch a couple of videos on YouTube to see how things work, so I thought it gives me a bit of an idea. So yeah, and I had to keep playing around with stuff, because what logically seemed to me to work doesn't seem to actually work. And I found that on their website there's a few videos talking about how great it is, but there's not actually a lot of how-to videos. So I'm seriously going to contact customer service and say, you know, I had to watch other people's YouTube videos to figure out some tips and tricks about how to use it. And I think that it should be all included with their website. Just me, but that's what I would do as a company. So yeah, spray the soap all around and then use the rotary brush to go around. What you have to do is keep moving around the car and looking at it from different angles, because you'll see that you've missed some spots. And yeah, it's a little bit more difficult than what I expected, to be honest. I still got a pretty good workout trying to clean everything, and I think the thing that irritated me the most was trying to clean the wheels. There's a lot of grease and gunk in there, so that seemed to take forever. I sort of also have to move the machine around a little bit too, because some of the hosing isn't all that long, and then you're trying to keep it away from the actual power cords as well. So it takes a little bit of figuring out how everything works. And yeah, with the wheel braces here, I found that because it's grease and stuff, the actual pressure cleaner itself, even with a high powered pressure, it just wasn't actually getting all the grease out. So I did a bit of a manual scrubbing with a brush. It got about half of it off, but I'd have to go back and really clean it again, which is fine because I don't mind doing that, but that will be another time video. It's actually meant to rain later today, which does not surprise me in the least. I wanted to do this yesterday and it was actually pouring with rain. So we're doing it today, and no doubt it will rain this afternoon, and then I'll have a clean car again. So an after rinse. Then I just went over the whole car and sort of just dried it all off and polished it with a microfiber cloth, and I noticed that I still had some dirt and stuff coming off of it, so I definitely probably needed to give the car another sort of clean over. I'm still working on it, but we'll see in the future how I kind of go about it. I think I'll watch a couple of other YouTube videos on it as well. So, final thoughts. I'm completely dirty. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. Clearly I've missed a couple of spots because buffing it over, I've noticed that there's some dirt on the microfiber cloth. And so I think it's just learning how to do it. It's not any cleaner than what I did myself at the car wash. So it's obviously user error and working out how best to clean. With the rotary head, best to go around in circles rather than like a scrub, so you kind of moving it around and it cleans everything. And clearly the grease on the wheels is a big issue that needs more dedication, and I'm going to scrub that. So, but that's probably just life, nothing to do with the washer. So yeah, really happy with it. I think it's made the job a little bit quicker, to be honest, and I feel like it's done a better job than the typical wash with a sponge. Probably not as physical, but I still feel like I've had a bit of a workout. So, and I still have a Zumba class to teach today, actually too. So yeah, I will be well rested by tonight. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have a pressure washer, let me know down below. I'd love to know what you have, what you use. Of course, I want to clean the paving, and I've got a few other bits and pieces around the house, so no doubt that will be a separate video. Cars about to whiz down the street and the wind's kicking up, so yeah, I'll leave it here. I'll see you later. Bye.